Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about on how you can actually use Xero for sole trader and what are the important things that you are going to actually find here. So in the moment when you are going to be in Xero, you're going to find here like the first thing when creating account, you want to choose a business name, also industry you're in and country, and then also like the business type, like what you actually are, like S corporation, C corporation, partnership, non-profit. And here you're going to find the sole proprietor, so you want to like choose that. And if you have employees, so that's something that you want to also choose, and then you're going to click here start the free trial. Now when you're going to be here, you want to click on the settings first on the top right on account settings, and there you're going to find organization details. So for the organization details, you just want to like fill all these things out for the display name, legal name, industry, also the business structure right here, and the contact information. So these are just like the basic things and that you want to like fill it out. So I'll definitely do it. Then you're going to have also here on the settings, you're going to find here the financial settings. So that's what you want to click. And then you're gonna have also the sales tax. And if you are, for example, like I don't know, in a UK, if you're in Europe, you're gonna have the VAT there. But if you're going to be, let's say, US, you're gonna have like the cash basis and also the accrual basis. So that's something that you want to choose. If you're gonna have like the VAT scheme, you want to choose the accrual scheme, and then also you want to go with period like quarterly, but these are the things that you need to check out for your accountant. Also, if you have one, or like what others are putting, so you want to go accrual scheme, quarterly, and also the VAT number. So that's something that you want to put out. But for example, in my country, I pay like yearly. I don't have like quarterly, so that's something that you want to also do. So in the moment when you have those things, you want to go here to settings again here, and what you're gonna find here more. I just want to show you, you're gonna have like manual projects here, and another thing is like invoicing settings here. So that's like another thing that you want to actually like do. Okay, I need to verify the account. So give me a second, because you want me to have a verified account, and that's something that you want to also check out for yourself and edit. Okay, so here you're gonna have like uploading logo here, and then when you're gonna go further, you're gonna have like the new branding theme, and that's something that you can do. So you can actually like edit what you actually want here. And for example, the mailing address, physical address. Now you can also check out like, I don't know, your competitors, what they have. And if like, for example, get an inspiration, and for example, like ship to, build to, and also have like the brand and styling here. And you want to have also, you can have like sales invoice, not tax invoice. And also the kind of like the payment here. So the payment advice, additional notes, and you can have like powered by Stripe that they can pay it. So that's something that you can do, view and pay online, or you can have like the payment advice, additional notes, like 14 days after invoice date to pay for it. So this is something that again you can do, and how is to be done. And here you can have like the theme that you want to actually check out. Then the next thing on the settings here that you are going to find here is like currencies. This is something that you want to also check out. Then manage the currencies, and you can like add a currency here. Then let's say you're gonna have euro, and you can have like, if you have business partners or if you have transactions from Europe, that's something that you can also do. And yeah, you can add a foreign currencies here. Now you're gonna have charts of accounts. That's like another thing here. A lot of things, like in the moment when you're gonna be sole proprietor, sole trader, you are going to have it automatically, like a lot of things removed. So that's good, comparing to like what it was like in the past that I checked out some videos. And for example, like I don't know, maybe you're gonna have like the corporation tax, so you don't have it there anymore. And if you have like things like share capital, I will show you. Like when you can have share capital, maybe if you're from like when you're choosing different country, you can have like different things here. So share capital, also directors like loan, also deferred tax, corporation tax. These are the things, and these are the things that you want to actually do, and how it works. So if you would like, you can also add account here, or you can add a bank account. So if you have your own bank account, you can like connect it right here. So that's something you can do like PayPal, Stripe, or other accounts. That's what you want to do. And also like you can add account type here. So if you like to add like different kind of account, you can do it right here. So here, when you're gonna have add a bank account, and let's say I can like choose here the PayPal, then you can like connect it, and that's something that you can also do. Okay. So that's like another thing. For the settings, what I wanted to share with you is that you're gonna have the account in here, like the tracking categories and conversion balances. So these are the things that you can like check out for yourself. And you can like unique categories for tracks to suit your business needs. So that's something you can do. And when you can have like the sales here, how it actually is that you're going to find here the customers, where you're going to add the customer. That, for example, I'm going to click here new contact, and you're going to add a contact name, account number, first name, last name. And this is like the standard procedure on adding the customer. And then you're going to have the invoices, or you can have like even the quotes here. So for the invoices, you can click here new invoice, or you can like repeating invoice. And for the invoice, you can like select a file, logo, postal address, and you're gonna have like, you have to set up the template for you based on like the details that you have. And then you can like add the person there, and also add what you want to actually like invoice for. So for example, right here, like this is the template. And then you would like choose the contact here, the due date, and also the item that you are actually like providing. And then you would gonna have invoice, right? And here you're gonna have like invoices, and what you're gonna find here is you're gonna find online and payments. And for the online and payments, this is something where you're gonna have that you would see that how much like people are paying you, and that's something right there. And products and services, this is where you're gonna have the things that you are actually like selling, right? Or like we're providing, and as a sole trader. So that's like another thing. Purchases, these are the things that you're like purchasing from the suppliers, and this is very similar thing where you're gonna have suppliers here, then you're gonna have like the bills from the suppliers and expenses, so you can add those too. And then you're gonna have like reportings here, like reports for the dashboard and other things like that. Accounting, some bank accounts, bank rules, chart of accounts, and then also like the taxes. And if you would like, you can have the taxes right here, where you can check the manual tax, and you can have like auto sales tax. I don't know like where you're from, but this is something that you can also do. So that's pretty much it for the contacts, where you can have like the customer, suppliers. This is pretty straightforward. And from the projects are the projects that you're actually like working on. So hope this video provided a little bit of value, guys, and have a great day, and goodbye.